Hey guys, welcome to Techers Tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna learn the Monopoly Go tips and tricks. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So you'll just head onto your app store and download Monopoly Go first. So, onto this video, we'll be sharing some valuable insights to help you dominate the Monopoly Go board and maximize your rewards. So, whether you're a seasoned player or just starting, we've got tips that will level up your Monopoly Go game. And if you're not familiar with this, Monopoly Go is a digital version of the classic Monopoly board game, so that people have enjoyed for generations. In Monopoly Go, players can buy properties, collect rent, and make strategic decisions just like in the traditional game, but it's all on a digital platform. People enjoy Monopoly Go because it combines the nostalgia of the original board game with the convenience and accessibility of an online format. So it is a fun way to challenge friends or even strangers to a game of Monopoly, all from the comfort of your device. The tips we're going to share in this tutorial can be really helpful for players looking to improve their Monopoly Go skills. For example, these kinds of tips that we'll give to you will add a unique twist to your gaming experience. So the main objective for this one is to build your real estate empire by purchasing properties, collecting the rent, and making strategic decisions. So as you can see, you could upgrade the different things that you have in here or the different properties that you have onto your account. And this is what the board looks like. So this is actually just like the same onto the traditional board games. You could also choose the different icons or things that you want to use or so that you could go ahead and start playing it. You'll just have to press on the go to roll the dice. Now let's get into our first tip. To gain a competitive edge, consider creating an alt account. So this second account can incredibly be useful in our situation, especially when there's an event that requires you to play with friends. By using your alt account, you can ensure that you have a reliable partner in the game even if your friends are not as active. These can help you secure those event rewards. Moving on to tip number 2. When it comes to your landmarks, resist the temptation to max them out right away. Instead, save your money and wait for a landmark rush event. During this event, you will receive 10 dice and money for each landmark that you will max out. So this is the perfect time to go all in and maximize your reward. Third tip focuses on sticker exchanges. So be cautious about trading your stickers for star boxes. While star boxes offer dice and packs, you should carefully choose which cards to exchange for them. Consider trading your 4 and 5 star cards on the official Monopoly Go Facebook page instead of converting them to stars. Remember that 1-star rarity cards are worth the same as 4-star rarity cards, so be smart about your sticker exchanges. Tip number 4 is trading with players on the official page. So this emphasizes the importance of exchanging valuable cards with other players on the official Monopoly Go Facebook page. However, please beware of scammers. Always ask for proof of completed trades and ensure that you're trading with trustworthy players to avoid getting scammed. For tip number 5, let's discuss strategic mini gameplay. When there's an event that rewards you for landing on and completing the minigame on the railroad, be smart about your opponent choices. If your assigned opponent has all their landmarks protected, switch to a random opponent to maximize your reward. If none of your recent attackers have unprotected landmarks, go for the last one who targeted you, as they may be inactive. And tip number 6, collect login rewards. Don't forget to pick up your login rewards. In addition to the daily login rewards, there is a box in the offer shop that replenishes every 8 hours. So it provides you with dice packs and money for free. So keep track of when you last obtained the box to maximize your free rewards. For tip number 7, let's talk about tournaments. Always check the tournament information for details on how to earn points and win. Understand the requirements such as landing on specific tiles or completing minigames and the points associated with different action. So this information can be found by clicking the eye symbol on the tournament screen. So be sure to check out about those tournaments. Now for tip number 8 it focuses on optimizing your net worth rewards. So these rewards come as you level up and can be quite valuable. Consider spending some Monopoly money to reach certain levels for additional rewards, especially if you're competing in a tournament, so it can make a difference in your rankings. Now, let's talk about community chest and tip number 9. These chests may not always yield great rewards, but by being active and interacting with other players, you can increase your chances of getting the coveted set back. Engage with friends and rivals, target opponents, and make the most of your in game interaction. And for tip number 10, it reminds us that it is okay if you don't complete all of your albums. Some rewards are based on luck, and not everyone can achieve anything. Remember that Monopoly Go is a game meant to be enjoyed, so have fun regardless of the outcome. So, those are just the Monopoly Go tips, tricks, and strategies that could be helpful. Now, let's tackle some of the most frequently asked questions about the game. So, how do I earn in game currency? So, you'll just need to collect rent from properties you own, participate in events, and complete tasks to earn rewards, play regularly to achieve daily login rewards, and consider watching ads or taking advantage of special offers for extra currencies. Now, what should I do if some of my fellow players become inactive during a game? So you'll need to try to communicate with them through in-game chat to encourage activity. If that doesn't work, consider leaving the game and starting a new one with more active players. Monopoly Go offers AI opponents so you can replace inactive players with AI characters to keep the game engaging. So, another question in here is how can I make the most of Monopoly Go's social features like joining clubs? So, join or create a club with friends and fellow players to collaborate and compete together. Participate in club events, missions, and tournaments for exclusive rewards. Make new friends and invite them to play games with you for a more interactive experience. Now, if I'm experiencing some bugs or issues in the game, how can I resolve them? So if you encounter bugs or problems in Monopoly Go, check for game updates in your app store. Sometimes updates include bug fixes. Contact Monopoly Go's customer support for assistance by navigating to the in-game support section and visit Monopoly Go's official social media pages or forums to see if other players have encountered similar issues and found solution. We hope these answers and tips help you enjoy the game to the fullest. If you think this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on to our next video.